referee, and the whistle goes, and the first half goes. So it's Dejedlang again. Dejedlang on the right, looking for options. Don Borlang on the right. Cross comes in, cleared away. Shot comes in, and it's a lovely goal. A lovely volleyed goal from the number 13, that is Robertson of Mawlai Sports Club. Just look at the volley. Lovely volley straight into the top right corner. It's Van Bok. It's Kenster rather, not Van Bok. Kenster. Kenster going forward. Kenster. Kenster. Will this be a goal? And it is. Another goal. From the Kenster from the Seng Football Club, which results in a lovely goal from the defender, young defender, Kenster of Mawlai Sports Club. Themselves. And now a long ball. It's somewhere. Could the ball well. Again, will it be a goal? And it's a goal. Lovely attack. The players of Mawlai Sports Club resulted in the third goal of today's match. It's Donald, and Donald's the third. Now on the attack, it's Kenster. Kenster looking for options from the left. It's the Jedling. The Jedling. Will a cross come in? Again, it's a goal. It's the Jedling. Now on the score sheet. We are not even 20 minutes on the clock, but it's 4-0 from Mawlai Sports Club. Will today and I was off because of a network connection. Sorry for the delay coming in. And now we have another goal coming in from the Mawlai, or it was the one from Pynliem. A casually defense, back pass and a miss pass, and straight into the Pynliem. Will this be another goal? And it's a third goal and a hat-trick goal for Wang Horse, and it's 7-0 in the favor of Pynliem there. On the right, it's Vance came. Again a shot and again a goal. This is now from Donald over there. Donald is the captain of second half, and many all the substitutions have been made, and this was a lovely goal, a control. Another goal? Yes, it's the number 4th goal for Donald here, and easily I can tell you that this match has been wrapped up by another attack in front of the Mawlai goal, rather in front of the Seng Salma goal. A shot comes in, another goal, lovely goal. A grounder shot results in the 10th goal for the team. It's again the number 13 with a strong volley. A grounder volley, but 28 now. Now the player. Will this be the 11th? Donald! And it's a bumping shot from Donald, resulting in another goal. The 11th goal and his 5th goal for today's match. Seng Salma Football Club. Corner taken really well, and it's a beautiful directory ball, and it's a goal. It's the 12th goal, and Ken's action given by Kensta through his head, and a lovely header. Goalkeeper had no chance, just to the bottom left